In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Jotform submissions. Jotform has become an invaluable tool for creating forms online, allowing users to gather information seamlessly. But there comes a time when you might need to delete submissions from a form, whether for data management purposes or to clear outdated information. This process might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's dive into how you can efficiently remove submissions from your Jotform account. First off, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Jotform account. To do this, navigate to Jotform's main page. You'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will guide you to the login page where you have different options for signing in. If you've previously linked your Google account or any other platform to Jotform, you can use that for a quicker login process. Just click on the Google icon or the respective platform you've linked to sign in seamlessly. Once you're logged in, your next stop is the My Forms page. This section houses all the forms you've created with Jotform. It's like a central hub for everything you've built and deployed. You can access it directly from your dashboard or by selecting My Forms from the menu. Now to the business of the day, deleting submissions. Within My Forms, look through your list of forms and identify the one from which you want to remove submissions. Once you've located it, you'll notice a More option, usually indicated by 3 dots or a similar icon, next to the form in question. Clicking on this More option will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take on the form. In this menu, you'll find the Move to Trash option. Selecting this doesn't delete your form submissions instantly, but moves the form to the trash section. This is a safety net just in case you accidentally choose the wrong form or change your mind about deleting those submissions. However, if you're certain about your decision to delete, the next step is Final. Within the trash section, locate the form you just moved and you'll see the option to the delete form. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation asking if you're sure about deleting the form and its submissions permanently. Once you confirm your choice, Jotform will permanently remove the form and all its submissions from your account. It's important to note that this action is irreversible. Once you delete a form and its submissions, there's no way to retrieve them. Hence, it's advisable to double check and make absolutely sure you no longer need the form or the information contained within before proceeding with the deletion. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Regularly review your forms and submissions to manage your data effectively. If you're not ready to delete a form but need to clear space or refresh the data, exporting submissions before deletion might be a wise choice. Jotform allows you to export data in various formats, providing a backup before you clear anything permanently. In summary, deleting Jotform submissions is a simple process that involves logging into your account, navigating to My Forms, selecting the form you wish to delete, moving it to trash, and then permanently deleting it. Always remember to take caution before removing any data, ensuring you won't need those submissions in the future. That's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can keep your Jotform account tidy and free from outdated or unnecessary submissions. Whether you're managing forms for personal use or for your business, understanding how to control your data effectively is key. Thanks for watching, and remember to review your submissions periodically to keep your digital space organized and functional.